In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to wall jump in Jujutsu Shenanigans on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform wall jumps and wall runs on Jujutsu Shenanigans. Keep in mind that I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this on keyboard and mouse, and while it is still possible for you to do this on controller, it is going to be a little bit more finicky. So in this video, I'm gonna be focusing on keyboard and mouse exclusively. So the first thing that I recommend is that you enable auto run. For you to perform a wall jump, you have to be running. So if you go over to the in-game settings of Jujutsu Shenanigans, you will be able to find auto run. Make sure that this is enabled, because if it is disabled, you will have to manually run every single time, and it makes the process much more difficult. Now, for you to actually wall jump or wall run, you have to run towards a wall while holding the spacebar. So when you jump while running towards a wall, your character will attach himself into it, and then if you press another direction, he will go away from the wall. So in this example, I'm holding W to run forward, holding D to walk towards the wall, and holding space. This results in my character grabbing the wall and then jumping away from it. So if I would be grabbing the wall on my right side, I would be holding D and then space, and if I was grabbing the wall on my left side, I would be holding A, then space. So you just have to adapt to this situation. If you actually want to wall run and go upwards, then you have to jump at a very specific angle. In this case, I'm still going to be holding D and space, but the angle needs to be much more strict. So as you can see, I was able to get the angle. It's roughly perpendicular to the building, and as long as you are able to get the specific angle, you will not only gain the distance, but also the height. Sometimes you will only go up, sometimes you will only go forward, but as you saw in that example there, I was able to get both. And if you are able to practice this angle, you will be able to gain a lot of height and a lot of distance in no time like this. So all that you have to do is enable auto run, hold W and then either A or D depending on the side of the wall that you are grabbing while holding space, and you will be able to wall run or wall jump in Jujutsu Shenanigans on Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to wall jump in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.